feel the same when you love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water.
Forgiveness is required when we want to live a peaceful life. Hello friends, this is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that forgiveness is required if you really want to live a peaceful life. We have to forgive ourselves and forgive others. We have only one life to live, so don't waste that. Take action to forgive and forget and choose to live a peaceful life. Work on against your fear. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that as a human being, we all experience fear. It is a part of our life. But you can work on that fear to do not bother you anymore when you can take that to the Lord in prayer. For God is with us always, and He is the only one, the powerful one who can help us to take away the fear we are suffering. Think that you are one of a kind. You have to believe in yourself that you are one of a kind. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that no matter what, you are special and you are one of a kind. Stop pleasing other people. You drain your energy out if you keep pleasing people. Please God instead of pleasing people. Only God and God alone can love you unconditionally. Just be who you are. Hello friends, this is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Just be who you are and stop bothering what other people think about you. You are special. You are God's most special possession. You are the child of the Most High God. So whatsoever you have to trust in yourself and trust in God, and don't bother what other people thinks. That bad situation can turn around for good. This is Yuntel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. When we are struggling of something in a special occasion, don't worry. When you trust it to God, can turn it around for good. It may be look so bad at this very moment, but believe me, don't worry. When you can lean on to God, He will turn around the situation for your own good. Everyone wants to live in peace. Hello, friends. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. When we have problems, trials, and difficulties in lives, probably you don't have peace. But remember, God promised in Philippians 4 that He will give us peace that passes understanding. Believe in God. Call upon Him. He will be there for you. Don't worry about the problems, the trials, and the storms. All you have to do is to call upon God, for He is the one who can give you a peace that surpasses understanding. You have a true friend in Jesus. Hello, friends. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Because many of us is struggling finding a true friends. Don't worry when you communicate with God. When you are praying, believe in Him that God is your true friend. He is the only friend who will not backbite you. Believe in God that He is your true friend, for He is indeed. Claim God's promises when you are in trouble. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that God's promises in the scripture, the key word here is believing. Pray knowing and believing that God will answer you. Claim God's promises in the scripture, because He says, truly I tell you, if anyone says to the mountains, go throw yourself into the sea, He will be there to catch you when you have full faith in Him. Don't believe on those spreading rumors. Don't believe what other people says, the bad things, the bad words about you. Don't let that poison you. Let it go when you heard bad words, bad rumors about you or on the social media. Let it go and don't let that words poison you. Don't use your energy to that bad people who is going to backbite you and poison you with their negativity. Just let it go. Remember, God is your vindicator. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that we don't need to fight. We have just to understand that God will fight our battles and God is our vindicator. So keep Him into your heart. Keep Him to lead you and guide you. He will take care of those who will try to bring you down. Don't worry. God is your vindicator. Problems may come, but don't be discouraged. Hello, friends. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Nobody is exempted by problems. We all have to face different kinds of problems. But don't worry. Trust in the Lord with that and look for the blessing. God allow it to happen into your life so you can learn something and look for the blessing of that problem. Develop strong strength psychologically. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that we can develop a strong strength psychologically when we practice spiritual fitness. It is very important that we have this spiritual practice to strengthen our psychological and inner struggles. You can handle all the things may come into your life. When you have strong spiritual fitness.
Like we feel the same. We